In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable WebGL 2.0 in Google Chrome on your computer. Enabling WebGL 2.0 can significantly enhance your browsing experience by allowing richer graphics and interactive content, so it's definitely worth checking if it's activated. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Google Chrome on your computer. When you have Chrome up and running, focus your attention at the very top where the address bar is located. In this bar, you'll need to type the following: Chrome side GPU. This address may seem a bit technical, but it essentially takes you to a page where you can view detailed information about the graphics status in your browser. Once you have entered it, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard and a new page will load. As you look through this page, you're going to want to scroll down and find a section labeled Graphics Feature Status. This section contains various important pieces of information regarding your browser's graphics capabilities. What you're specifically looking for here is WebGL 2.0. This is the technology that allows your browser to render complex 3D graphics without the need for additional plugins. Now, if you spot WebGL 2.0 and it indicates that it is hardware accelerated, then you're all set. This means WebGL 2.0 is already enabled in your browser, and you don't need to take any further action. On the other hand, if you find that it's disabled, you'll need to ensure that hardware acceleration is turned on to get WebGL 2.0 running. To do this, let's head over to your settings. You'll find the settings option by clicking on the three vertical dots, often referred to as the menu or more icon, located at the top right corner of your Chrome window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, which will open a new tab displaying various configuration options. Next, within the settings, navigate to the option labeled System on the left side panel. Click on it to reveal several system-related settings. Here, you want to look for the option that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available. If the toggle next to this option is off, make sure to turn it on by clicking it. This action tells Chrome to use your computer's hardware to accelerate graphics performance whenever it's possible, thus allowing WebGL 2.0 to function properly. Once you've made this adjustment, a Relaunch button will appear. Click on this button to restart Chrome. This step applies the changes you've just made, so the new settings for hardware acceleration can take effect, enabling WebGL 2.0. And there you have it. That's how you enable WebGL 2.0 on Google Chrome. By following these steps, you can ensure that your browser is capable of delivering enhanced graphics for a seamless and visually appealing web experience. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more helpful tips and tutorials.